At Gifu University, there are researchers who are studying the functions of carbohydrates and dietary fibers. They are seeking ideal eating habits that can reasonably extend their longevity in a healthy state. Professor TOMIO YABE will explain in details.
I'm now studying on carbohydrates and dietary fibers contained in food. Until recently, people believed that dietary fiber does not play an important role, although carbohydrates as food ingredient play a role as an energy source. However, it has become evident little by little that dietary fiber contained in food plays a very important role for human beings to maintain health today. The reason is that lifestyle diseases and other diseases have become more attractive as global social problems, and people have been paying attention to the effect of dietary fiber on it. Dietary fiber contained in food is a component present in the cell wall of vegetables and fruits. Interestingly, in order to pursue the deliciousness of foods, the development of technology to remove them has been actively conducted all over the world historically. However, recent studies have shown that dietary fiber has greatly contributed to the creation of a good environment for intestinal bacteria, which are our greatest partner. It is now thought that it contributes greatly to the maintenance of human health. Since I moved to Gifu University, I have consistently worked on pectin, which is a type of dietary fiber. Pectin is contained in vegetables and fruits and is known as a key substance in making jams. It was known as a food additive because of its characteristics such as being sticky. However, physiological function by eating was hardly studied. When I was looking for research topics, I thought that pectin might have some special role for human beings who have been tree nuts and fruits as food for more than 10,000 years. So I decided to study the functionality of pectin. It has already been reported that pectin has a function of extending the villi of the small intestine more than 10 years ago when I started research. However, the mechanism has not yet been clarified at that time. The small intestinal villi are projection on the inner wall of the small intestine. Epithelial cells are lining the surface of the villi and nutrients are absorbed by this cell. The form of villus is considered to be very important in absorbing nutrients contained in foods. Why does its villus shape change due to ingestion of dietary fiber? Also, what is the meaning of the villus shape changing with ingestion of dietary fiber? It has not been revealed so far. Therefore, we started research to elucidate the mechanism by which the villus extends. After several years of research, we found a mechanism by which the villus is elongated by pectin. The mechanism is that when pectin passes through the small intestine, intestinal epithelial cells present on the surface of villi interact with pectin. The epithelial cells then transmit information to the interior of the villi, which proliferates interesting epithelial cells leads to villus stretching. We have also found that sugar chains called heparan sulfate on the surface of intestinal epithelial cells are involved in this mechanism. and we are currently pursuing further detailed mechanisms. However, the details of how the phenomenon that pectin extends villus contributes to human health remains unclear. Dietary fiber has a good aspect of improving diseases such as lifestyle diseases. On the other hand, there are also bad aspects of causing diarrhea when too much dietary fiber is ingested. Our research aims to clarify in more detail how pectin affects the human body. We hope that we will be able to ingest more appropriate food without over fear of disadvantages if we can achieve that purpose. How is the food we eat every day used in the human body, and how is it working? By making it clearer and concrete, I think that we can present what balanced diet is. Our ultimate goal is to create a system that allows people to maintain health while taking ordinary meals without considering anything. I'd like to continue helping you stay healthy by creating daily food through our research.